I wanted to show you nature trying to sort herself out. So a couple of days ago, I had no ladybug, and these are full of aphids. Okay, so now I can count, I don't know, 10 or more on this. These are broccoli that went to seed, and I can count more than 10 ladybugs here. Um, so nature is trying. Is it enough ladybugs for the amount of aphids? No, not yet, but they are coming. They are trying to take care of the problem, and they're happy going up and down the broccoli. I am quite happy. Not that I have this thing full of aphids, but that I gave a place for nature to start to heal itself, and the ladybugs have their favorite food here, which is actually aphids. So hopefully they start bringing more friends, and I'll have more ladybugs around the garden. This is what I want. Of course, I don't want everything riddled with aphids, but I want ladybugs to have food. If they don't have food, they don't come. So